Chapter 10: Scaling Up, Automation, Ads, and Building a Long-Term Brand. Once your TikTok shop is making consistent sales, the next step is scaling, growing your reach, improving efficiency, and turning your shop into a real, sustainable business. This chapter covers how to work smarter, not harder, using tools, ads, and brand building strategies. What does scaling mean? Scaling is about increasing results without increasing effort. Instead of doing everything manually or from scratch, you begin to build systems that multiply your time and income. This includes reaching more people through ads or creator partnerships, automating repeat tasks, increasing your average order value, creating long-term customer loyalty. Step 1. Build a repeatable content system. Once you know what works, systemize your content creation. Batch record multiple videos at once. Reuse top-performing content with small edits. Stick to 2-3 proven video formats. Plan weekly using a content calendar. This makes it easier to stay consistent while freeing up your time to focus on scaling. Step 2. Use TikTok ads to boost sales. If a product and video already work organically, consider using TikTok ads to scale results. Start small. Promote a successful video using TikTok Spark ads. Set a small budget, $10, $20/day. Target audiences based on interest, behavior, or retarget viewers who saw your content but didn't buy. Use TikTok's Ads Manager to track performance. Scale only what's converting profitably. Step 3. Automate and outsource. As your shop grows, automate tasks where possible. Use order management tools or TikTok's fulfillment service. Automate replies to common customer questions with saved templates. Use simple tracking systems, Google Sheets or Notion, for product and video performance. Outsource editing, packaging, or customer service as needed so you can focus on growth. Step 4. Build a real brand. Scaling isn't just about more sales, it's about building a brand people trust. To do this, stay consistent in your niche and message. Use a recognizable logo, bio, and tone across all content. Create a memorable unboxing experience. Go live regularly to connect with your audience. Encourage repeat buyers with loyalty offers or email capture. A brand earns long-term customers, not just one-time sales. Step 5. Expand carefully. Once you're confident in your core products and processes, consider launching new, related products. Testing other platforms like Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or Amazon. Building an email list or SMS list for remarketing. Collaborating with more affiliates or influencers. But don't do everything at once. Stay focused and expand gradually. Key takeaway. Scaling is about turning momentum into structure. You've already proven your TikTok shop can make sales. Now it's about making it efficient, sustainable, and brand-driven. With content systems, smart use of ads, great customer experience, and a long-term mindset, you can grow your TikTok shop into a real business, one that works for you even when you're not online.